I was both-handed, cause this here is overrated.
What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. Today is Vlogmas day 14, and today I have a short little tutorial on how to make a YouTube thumbnail. Real quick and easy for you guys. And we're just going to jump right on into it. So, the only app we're going to be using is this app named called Phonto. We're going to go ahead and click it and click this little camera down here. Click plain image and click at the top custom. Click at the top and then click custom. And then we're going to put the dimensions in 1280, 720. That's the standard size for YouTube thumbnails. And we are going to click the little button at the top, right top, and click use. And we are going to use this as a template. And we are going to take a image. I saved this image off of Google. And I'm going to click it and click size and size it up to match the white rectangle in the back. And also, you don't have to do this. Like, when you go to customize the thumbnail, you can pick colors and like styles in there as well. But this, I like just taking backgrounds off of Google, and we're just sizing this. And once you got it sized, you are going to save it. Click OK. And then we are going to reset this. Go back to the little camera. Get a new image, click that image that we just had. And if you have other images, you can put filters to brighten it or whatever the case may be, but I'm not going to do nothing to it. So I'm going to click and add text and go ahead and type what title I want in my thumbnail, and I'm going to start by putting how to. And you can change fonts too, and styles and strokes and little like backgrounds for your letters. You can put you can underline it, change the color, but I'm going to keep this white and put a black outline. That's just what I'm feeling right now. It's no method to my madness. I'm just gonna play it. You can play around with how you want it. There's so many different ways. I'm just gonna size it to how I want it sized. Add text again. And add text, you just click the picture anywhere. And I'm going to make a thumbnail. Click done. Like I said, there's a little place where you can look at all the fonts. It's a ton of different fonts you can pick. Go ahead. And on this one, as you can see, I added a underline. They have different types of underlines. And I put like a white shadow in the back of the words. And I'm going to do for beginners, the exact same way. The white shadow in the back, the underline, and all of that. Just placing it where I want it. You could just play around and just figure out how and what style you want for your videos. It's good to keep the fonts and things the same for all your thumbnails so it's recognizable for your subscribers. I'm just moving this to see where I want it. And then you can add emojis too. So I just added a smiley face and a thumbs up. I'm just trying to figure out what I want to do. And now I'm going to add a picture of an iPhone. Since this is for iPhones, I did this on my iPhone. I'm just going to size it up to fit how I want it to fit on my screen, and I just played with it. This is all it is about, just figuring out how and what type of things you want to do. You got to think of what's going to be clickable and appealing to people who come across your video. You got to make them want to click your video. So that's what it's all about. So that is pretty much it. It's a million different things you can do on here. You can add stickers, little arrows, anything. It just depends on what you want. And this is just a real simple way to do it. And once you save it, it'll be in your photo gallery, and I can show you how to upload it to your video. And you guys, sorry if I sound a little tired and my voice is sounding a little froggy-ish. My apologies. So this app right here is called YouTube Studios, and it's very, very helpful. But what you do is you click a video, click the little pencil thing, click edit thumbnail, customize thumbnail, and that's where you will find it. You just click it and click save. It's literally that simple. But you guys, if you do not have this app, go ahead and download it. It'll save you a lot of time, and you can edit descriptions and all of that in that thumbnail. And that is the end of this video. If you have any questions, comment down below. Go ahead and like this video if you thought it was helpful. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for me. And guess what? I will see you guys tomorrow for Vlogmas Day 15. Bye.